Hello everybody! And yesterday was quite an interesting day with my printer. I ended up running into some issues with it, but before I get into that, my husband last night surprised me with these gorgeous sunflowers. It melted my heart. They were absolutely beautiful. And I asked him, because I was in the middle of printing out stuff for my business, and he came home with them, and I asked him, I was like, why'd you get those? They were so pretty, and I just was right caught off guard, and I said, why'd you get those? And he said, oh, just because. And I said, so why sunflowers? And he said, because You Are My Sunshine is one of your favorite songs, and it's what I sing to you when you're not feeling good, or you're upset, or you're down. And I just figured sunflowers would brighten your day up because you were having a rough day. And it made me so happy. It melted my heart. But yes, the printer. And of course, Claire would have a drink right now when I'm doing this. But anyway, it is what it is. The printer ended up giving me issues. I had it for over a decade, so it gave a good long run. It was a Canon Pixma, I think is the name of it. So I wanted to have the same brand type of printer. I figured from the longevity of the first printer, I had high expectations for the brand Canon, and the next printer would have a long life expectancy, hopefully. After having this printer for a decade, I think it finally gave the ghost. I tried holding on to the stop button and clearing any errors that were coming on the screen, where it would make a noise to pretty much say like, okay, starting to, I guess, reboot. That didn't work. Then I tried going into this here, where is it to maintenance, and I did this, I hit this, and I just started like doing all this maintenance stuff to try and see if that would be the issue. Still nothing. So then I was like, okay, I'll pop this down. And what I did, ooh, there goes the ink. Is it gonna go back? I was gonna say. And then what I did, I popped both of these out. So I'll show you, for example, so I got my husband's sweater, one of his old ones. And I just cleaned off the bottom of this with some paper towel, and I cleaned inside where this pretty much sits to. And then I made sure both were sitting into this properly. Popped that up, closed it, tried again to print, nothing. And then I tried to do a what's it called when you pretty much print a copy, like a test copy, I guess. And that worked. I was like, what the heck? So I tried the scanner, that worked. And then I tried it again to print from the computer, nothing. So this is all me trying to figure out, I don't know if I already said this, me trying to figure out why the printing portion wasn't working. Then what I did, I went into the computer, I tried to print another document, and even from another source, and that didn't work. So it was just something not working. Next what I did, I just turned off the printer, and I was like, okay, maybe that will work. No, still nothing. Next, I tried, this is all me just trying to troubleshoot, because I had to figure out the solution. Then what I did next, I unplugged it from the wall, and I shut down the computer and restarted it. That didn't work. Then I thought, okay, maybe the cord in back that goes from the printer to the computer, maybe that went loose or something. So then I tried that. That didn't work. And I'm just coming to the conclusion that it's just done. It's toast. I had it for over a decade, and maybe it's not working. It breaks my heart because I really don't like buying things unless I really have to buy them. And sadly, I need this for business stuff, so I'm gonna have to buy it. But I tried everything to try and fix it. I did everything troubleshooting from the printer. And then when I went on to try and troubleshoot it from the computer, you could go into the Canon website and where you could do updates on your printer. And when I went into that, our printer wasn't even there. It wasn't even an option. And that just showed me how outdated and like how I needed to upgrade to a new printer simply because I couldn't even find it for updates on the Canon website. So I had to cave and give in. I had to pick up a few things anyway, so I threw in a printer as well. I ended up getting a few things here today. First, I needed a new printer, so this is the one I ended up going with, was the Canon Pixma TS3420. It's wireless, print, copy, scan. And here's a picture of it down here. I got some Kit Kat chocolate bars. Whoop. Smucker's raspberry jam. Kraft smooth peanut butter. Large tote of ice cream for the dogs. Vanilla ice cream, 4 liter. I also picked up the dog some original Sizzlers bacon style and some bacon recipe sticks, and these are both Blue Buffalo brand. Oh my goodness, I cannot talk here this morning. Low sodium crackers, some hard milk bones with different flavors. We got chicken, bacon, turkey, beef, and sausage. I'm puppy chow. And I also got a case of Powerade. But setting it up was super easy, really fast, not time consuming. And when I went to go print it, it was extremely quick, and it kind of caught me off guard because I was so used to my old one just taking a while that when this one just like shot out the finished print, I was like, awesome, that's fantastic. And I'm just going to unbox the new printer. Oh. Here's the inside, and it looks like the manual on the very top. Getting started. Okay, pretty straightforward, I guess. Not rocket science. Basic how to hook up a printer stuff. And then I have this container. And that has the power cord in it and some ink. And I know this is like the starter ink, so it's probably not going to last any time whatsoever, but there's those. It takes the 243 in black and the 244 in color in the Canon series. Wow, pretty new printer. Hello, printer. I haven't had a new one in a decade. Here's what the top looks like. It's a Pixma, just like my old one was a Pixma. It lasted for a decade, so I got high hopes. That's why I went with one of the same type of brands, the Canon, and that one. It's just like a newer edition model, because even when I went to troubleshoot my old one, I literally went into where you go on Canon and you can select your printer. Mine wasn't even there, so that just shows mine's like ancient apparently now. So here's the new one. This one I did see on the list for like updates and whatever. You just have the power button and for wireless and the information, the like tools and additional maintenance button, all of that. Stop, black, color. Okay. And you open up the inside, and that's where you can pretty much do your scanning too. And then here is where you just lay your paper too, and then this slides out so your paper doesn't fall on the floor, and then you flip this up, which certainly makes it stay on this tray better. And then you just press this, and that is where your ink will go, and it shows which one to put the color in and which one to put the black. So color will go here, and then black will go here. Oh, I'm so excited. I haven't had a new printer in so long. I just turned it on, and now it's just doing all this type of stuff, noises. But the cord, you just plug it in. Ugh, the power cord. Hold on. The power cord you just plug in right here. That's where it goes. And I just have it sitting on top of my old printer for now. So here are the 2 ink cartridges that it came with. And then on the bottom, you're going to have this here. Just pull that off. Just make sure you don't put your hands on this here and try to avoid touching that there as well. But just remove that and then flip it over this way to insert into the printer. And that goes for this one here as well. It has the same thing on bottom. You're just going to flip these down here as so. And then you're going to put in each of the cartridges where they need to go. And then you're just going to hit this up. Same with this one. And then just give a quick little push down with both. Make sure they are in place. Close the lid. You should hear them now. So this one's different than my other printer. This paper actually goes on top. My old printer down here, the paper would just go on this tray, but not with this one. It goes on top and then comes out down on bottom. All right, so now it's saying about connecting to a computer, how to do it, and when connecting to a phone, how to do it. I want to actually have it set up both ways, so I'm going to connect it to the computer first, and then I'm going to connect it to my phone. So that way I'm able to print from both the computer and my phone, depending on where I'm to, how busy I am, and things of that nature. Here is the website when setting it up from the computer, and it's telling me now to go to setup, so I'm just going to click that. And I have to enter your printer's model name and click go. So my printer is the TS3420, so now I'm going to hit go and hit start. First time setup, connecting to a computer or smartphone. First time setup. Remove all the orange tape. Yeah, did that. After just reading those steps, I just have to hit this now, download. And it's going to come up on the bottom corner here. I'm just going to open that up. And do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. And it's going to do its thing. Start setup. Next. And acquiring information on the latest driver and software. So now it's downloading. Okay, and then this is going to come up. Yes, agree. And it's now processing. Checking the printer status. And right now I'm using a USB, so that's what I'm going to select and hit next. And now it's just going to install. And it's going to take roughly 2 minutes, so I'm going to come back when it's done installing. Wow, okay, it didn't take 2 minutes at all. It took like a second. Now it's onto this, and it's saying you are able to print from your computer. Hip hip hooray! And now I'm going to click next. And now that's processing. And continue online. I did show you the steps with hooking it up to the computer. I didn't bother showing hooking it up to the phone because it was kind of hand in hand, pretty straightforward. But that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a little bit different, but that's just what happened yesterday. My printer conked out and just gave up the ghost. So I'll see you all real soon for another video, and have a great day, guys. Bye.